Ubani?
From my 8 to 5.
Ooh.
Praise God, the Mzwak is one. That's my government
That's
name.
PG.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Oh,
Praise God.
So and then when I go to entertainment and
Yeah.
this is my alter ego, you know what I mean? Like
What's up, everybody? It's the biggest, baddest tiger, Big Daddy MBN, and I'm here with.
Hey yo, it's your boy Master CG Play. You know what it is.
And welcome to
034 Issues.
Yes, sir.
The biggest podcast in Newcastle. Let's
Yes,
go.
sir. That's the take I wanted, man.
Yeah.
I kept on flapping, man, behind the scenes, man. You know.
It's all night,
Yeah, it's all night, and then someone
yeah,
was
let's
calling
go.
me baby daddy and whatever.
Say what?
But it's not mine.
It is what
It's
it
not
is.
mine.
It is what it is.
Yeah, man. We're back again with episode number 3. Right? Yeah, it's episode number 3. Yeah, man, we've been inconsistent this year, but we've already addressed that on the previous episode.
Yeah, so
But we had to do this one, you know.
yeah.
We had to do this one because we have a special guest, a returning guest.
Yeah.
What is this? Your second time returning guest. And if you're out there complaining, and this abanye babuye kwesibili.
It is what it
Tough,
is.
man. It is what it is, man. Yabo. You know what? I'm not gonna introduce you, man, because you can do that very well. Yabo. You can do that very. You a yapper, man.
Yeah, he got
he's
it.
a yapper.
MC, that's
He's a yapper. And he knows how to introduce himself. I cannot do the.
He knows.
He
knows his stuff. Yeah.
That's man. So talk to him.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
So basically, this is your boy PG Sonic. But uzivalo support umthando ama-2K. Bathi umgcwaliso waleyo ndawo leyo. Bathi phansi omntu maphithizela. Bathi phansi fanele umfana kaSizeni. Bathi phansi kwanongoma umfana kaNduna uschedule eshobeni. Yimi-ke leyo PG Mtase kuzivalo support. I'm in the building with the best podcast in Newcastle. 034 Issues.
It's PG, man. I got called on you. Yeah. PG, man. It's been a minute, man.
Yeah,
it's been a minute.
It's been a while.
Before we chop it up and get into it, yeah, well, how you been, dog? How you been?
Man, I'm good, man. I'm good. I'm good, man. I can't complain. Yeah, we've been pushing, hustling. Yeah, you know what it is. No, we have to push Spani, hustle, stay some track, man. Just push my track. Invest this side, MC this side. So no, man, we have to hustle because at the end of the day, if you don't hustle, we're gonna get your back from.
Yeah, I get no one is there to save you.
None.
No one is coming to save you.
No one. No one. But how do you find the balance between the two? Because it's such a professional.
Yeah.
And it's such an entertaining job, and understand you're doing like two different things. How do you actually like find the balance through that? No, man, I think everything starts with the mental state. You have to understand what's when. Basically, in my mind, I have the 8 to 5, which is me selling tracks, and then I've got my entertainment side. You know what I mean? You won't see me entertainment during the day, during the working hours.
That's fucking true.
So I focus on my tracks. When I'm on my tracks, I focus on my tracks. When I'm selling tracks, I focus on my tracks. When I'm at an event, ask me about the track, but at the end of the day, for me, events and MC is about passion. Like Sandra short side later. If it was paying enough money, I don't even sell tracks or nothing. The passion I'm big is on MC, like about MC. About when I'm on stage, when I'm on stage, just people scream my name. When they say like I'm on my own world, you know what I mean? So, but financial wise, I've got a family, I've got a kids to maintain. That doesn't afford that. So that's why from my 8 to 5, if I double tracks, dog, like I push that.
Would
balance is mentality, dog. You have to know what this is what I do from here. So I do from here.
Would you say you have like an alter ego? You would say like it's funny or you are this guy.
Yeah.
Entertainment industry, you're like you flip that switch, and all of a sudden you're PG Usonic.
Obviously, like I do have an alter ego, like because at the end of the day, like for my 825, who praise God in Zwak as one, I'm doing my job like they like.
Well, hold on.
Yeah.
One more
What?
time. One more time.
Oh,
No. Wait,
Listen,
you focused on this one.
yeah, my government name.
Mother's
My
Oh,
government-
get that. Wait. No, hold on.
Again.
Wait, hold on.
Okay, listen, let me put for you.
One more time.
Let me put for you. Listen.
Ubani.
For my 825,
Ooh.
praise God in Zwak as one. That's my government
That's
name.
PG.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Oh,
Praise God.
So
Shut up, man.
and then when I go to entertainment and
Yeah.
preach, that's my alter ego. You know what I mean? Like
Yeah.
if I'm telling me like like I'm just me, sure.
Yeah.
Whatever. But when you see me on stage, I'm a different
Mhm.
person from that.
Yeah.
So automatically Sonic is my alter ego, which makes me have fun. You know what I mean? When I'm on stage, I have fun with the crowd and all
Yeah.
of that. So yeah, there's
And
an alter ego.
Yeah, you can
Yeah.
say. And I can say, Uti, I wouldn't say I've experienced both sides.
Yeah. Yeah.
But see, because I wouldn't know the praise God.
Yeah. Yeah.
But the PG, I know him. Dog,
Yeah.
And how close is he to praise God? PG, no praise. Like, is there a thin line?
No, nah.
It's like PG is completely different.
Nah,
person.
actually, it's actually Upich is a different person from praise God
Mhm.
from me. Like it's a different person.
Mhm.
Like in fact, me now. You won't
No.
You won't believe that
I do.
because when I'm at an event,
Yeah.
I'm an extrovert.
I do. You know why I believe you?
Yeah.
Because I'm like that.
So yeah, like me now, I'm an introvert extrovert. So introvert extrovert because
Yeah.
like praise God is more like focus on PG, like focus on making money, work,
Yeah.
family, go home, family, and then that's it. Yabo.
Yeah.
But when I go on stage, like I'm a different person. Even to me, I mean, the guys go with me, they'll tell Guti, like they'll tell you, well, once I'm on stage, I'm a different person because my passion, like I don't know, when I go on
The
stage.
love. That's the love.
It's a different thing. It's a different
Yeah.
feeling. But when you find me on my weekdays,
Mhm.
I'm just a true person. You know what I mean?
yeah. So I wanted to ask Laman Hukman, would say, okay, between OPG and Praise God,
I lie. I can't think of my life.
yes, ukuthi, which one is responsible for ukuthetha specifically?
Yeah.
Ngoba esho he was dealing with me decisively. Wangithethisa, hey, yeah, I can't lie. And then the other day I'm yeah.
Backstage
Yeah,
viewers.
epic stage. Is what I'm saying. I have to put that out,
Backstage.
man. I had to put that out. So, and at the same time, there was one point you tried to contact you, and then nakhona sashisa. So I'm trying.
I love how we praise you now. Because the level love how we
Oh,
inspire
yes,
you.
it's like,
And you know what's the nice thing, man?
you can't call.
You know what's the nice thing? It's never
Through
feelings
those
involved.
hours, yeah.
We never like, because it's like we understand where business is business.
Yeah, for sure.
But answer that. You can answer that question.
Okay. No, listen. Let me say something about me, right?
Yeah.
Like if even anyone knows around me, my circle, right? Family as well. About me, if need 30s, or if I raise my voice at you, it's either two things. It's either I love you, or I see potential in you.
Yes.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
I just want you to fulfill your potential that I see you doing.
Yeah.
Right? That's why it's 30s. But immediately, once you do something, and I keep quiet, just know that I don't care about you. That's just me.
That's a
like,
parent right
yeah,
there.
yeah, well, you just me. Like, if even my close people, like, people I work with, close to me, I care about you.
Yeah.
I know what you've got potential to do better than what you're doing right now. Yeah. The moment I want something like book or figure let's be event like book, you don't submit your videos in time. Book, just know I don't care about you. So, refer to a show. The person who I tell was PG Sonic because I want what's best for you entertainment. You know what I mean? Did it work? Yes, it worked. You saw what you guys did. No. You saw what you saw you guys did.
Yeah.
After show, you guys produced the flipping best video ever.
Yeah. Also, man, also thanks to this guy, dog.
Yeah.
We don't give him enough credit, man.
Oh,
yeah.
shout out to our
Shout out to
man.
Francis.
Hey, man. Hey,
Everybody
hey.
clap for Voltage, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. We're giving you your flowers, dog.
But
Yeah.
but in Google something.
Yeah.
If you guys nanyekela laleka focus ku interview ama celebrity kuphela
Yeah.
nani you guys have produced what you did last year.
Nah, no way.
Not really.
Because you guys went to the crowd, nafaka
To the
crowd,
people, dog.
nafaka everything, nafaka artists, nafaka everyone, and you guys was did like so. If Nintendo, I only uPrescott akathethi because I'm at work. No, I'm calm. But PG Sonic is when I'm at an event. I would shout at you because I see potential in you. The moment when there's something wrong, it's just not, I don't care about you.
Hey, what a nice answer. Not to be Bali's.
No, but let's just me.
Let's get into it. Let us first go to you actually cater for audience. He doesn't cap the audience. For Abantu Abadala, he's there. For Rama2K, he's there. Let us focus on Rama2K because they're like a bit closer. Yeah, they're like youth and stuff. So I want to unpack in Dabayuguti, your interaction, especially with Rama2K and stuff. Like where does it actually come from? And
because it feels like there's real love right there.
What is it? What is it with the fascination and actually
fascination is great.
That's good. It's good.
And putting it, like, this is for Rama2K, just putting it there out there like that. Because it's now like a name, Rama2K.
Let me tell you something, right? With that, why I love Rama2K, male or female. I love Rama2K generation. Reason being for that. I've got a reason for that. I was an MC since I came to Newcastle. I was the first MC in Newcastle. When I moved into Newcastle, my mom's sister was in Newcastle. So I moved from there to come to Newcastle. I moved from Friday to Newcastle. What come to Newcastle find work? I got work. I met my Tyler, started working scrapyard 2026.
Remember that.
What's the most painful thing about that was they never appreciated me, dog. Whatever. Then thing they'll do, I remember there's one guy who went to scrapyard,
how did that make you feel?
It was painful, dog. It was painful because now the guy, Newcastle, I don't care who says what, I was the first MC in Newcastle who came MC in the club events. Me, and there's a guy Oros as well who I still love so much right now because Oros from Durban, why motivated to give up PG. So me and Newcastle about MC, I did that, and they wouldn't appreciate me on Facebook. PG was dope, no, they wouldn't. And then I remember when Utemba came, H119. Utemba's a good friend of mine. I love Utemba so much. Utemba Talisimoto as well. So Utemba came in Newcastle because Utemba's from Newcastle, right? Unabanga was Newcastle and it fell. So Utemba came up, what now? So about MC, I think it was 2018 or so about MC Utemba, 17, I can't recall. About MC Utemba. I love Utemba so much, H119, but we're good friends. He would come to me, PG, how do I do this? But Utemba will go to an event or cousins, whatever, and get the stage, Utemba, shy Mike. You will see the comment on Facebook. Hey, Utemba is the gold. Utemba is the first. Is what about Utemba, right? Why? Because unabanga back about Newcastle. I mean, I had no friends in Newcastle. I had no friends. I had Utinzo, who's the one guy who put me here. I could stage, who's the guy who put me here. Right? I remember there was a lady, Usne dancing MC Usne. Why MC Usne? I remember when she came. Why Shama Podla Pez Usne? About dancing my Podla. I don't know if you guys were there in that time. 2018, I think. Usne dancing my Podla 2018. I was Shama Podla Usne. So Usne came about MC now. Usne about. I love Usne so much. I respect what he did. But you will see the comments on Facebook. Usne is the best MC. Usne is great. Usne, Temba
Usne
is they're the best. They're about MC. Reason being, I had no backup in Newcastle. I would go there, put myself on, kill every weekend, kill scrapyard, kill it. But they will never be that. Until I joined the Winter Festival. When I joined the Winter Festival, it was 2019, joined the Winter Festival, Panelia Corner, to be one of the organizers, whatever, to be MC. Dude, I went on stage, I did my thing. The following day on Facebook, Rama2K, they were like, this guy was great. Pitch Sonic is great. Pitch Sonic is great. You understand? So from there, my Facebook following went up. Ngama 2000, and everywhere I go, they will inbox me, Pitchy, we love your work. The following year, everything I did, I started feeling utando from Rama2K.
That's
Rama2K.
fucking powerful.
Let me tell you something. Rama2K, male or female. You understand? Those are the people that started showing me. You know why? Because they don't end up and where you from or what, but under what you bring on stage. You understand? Those kids are real. Rama2K are real. You guys are real. Rama2K are real. So for me, I started having love and appreciated from Mama 2K. Understand? Every show I did, they would inbox, PG, we come see you. Yabo. Get on the stage, do something, and Mama 2K would be like, PG, we love you. Understand? So doing the shows, everything, and when Mama 2K has been there supporting me. That's the only time where I had to feel utando, right? Because why? Mama 2K I went where you from, they care about what you bring on stage. So the reason to answer your question why I love them so much, why I still even now I love Mama 2K is because they support me for who I am. Not to ngazubani ngiqhamuka kuphi. That's how they show me, you know what I mean? And I know what abanye abantu they get offended ukuthi mangithe stage now umthando wama 2K. I do love ama 2K. Male or female 2Ks, I love you guys because you guys show me love. Nanginikeza ukuthi, do you know how painful it is ukuthi ufike kwi-event? I remember one time nga-host i-AMCO or MC bengekho. I host i-AMCO for fucking 3 hours. Sorry for the language. 3 hours. Bengafika MC. The crowd was here. But on Facebook the following day, babencomuntu wangena 30 minutes with the best MC. Understand?
Yeah.
But now, ama 2K, they show me love. They show me love. They support Image Yam, they buy my merch. Every show I'm there, they come, they support me. That's why you'll see me on stage. Again, the first thing I'll say is Ama 2K because they support me generally. That's why I love you guys. That's why even I met you guys. That's why even I push. That's why even I will push Ama 2K in terms of because they show me love and support. Do you know how painful it is? With an event, you know what you gave it your all, but you don't even get one compliment on social media.
Yeah.
But now, I talk, no.
They don't do you wrong, man.
That's why I love them.
Yeah.
That's why I love them.
That is why Nina.
Is but down that's in about. No, but I mean the young ones, the young guys. You know what I mean?
You know, I think it's, I don't know if you've actually explained this before, but like this is like a super exclusive long podcast.
No, I've never
You've never said it.
No, never. Because you know what the problem is that abantu mangithi mina ngumthando wama 2K, they think ukuthi I
Yeah, no,
intimate ama 2K.
Yeah.
But I don't. Like for me, it's about
it's really
they love they show.
audience.
Let me tell you something. I mean, the Facebook went from my followers, I had 5,000 followers. It went to about 13,000 followers. Who follows me? I'm at 2K because they know why. I believe in them. I support them. I push them. You know what I mean? And that's why they support me.
Yeah.
It's not about
Father of the nation, man.
Let me tell you something. I know some people have lost. I don't care about that. But the fact remains, the support and love I felt as an MC came from 2K.
Yeah, man.
You know?
Yeah. So, you know, I see the love, though. But then, you don't just show the love to Ama 2K.
Yeah.
Bro. You show the love to the community.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah, bro. I don't know if you want to talk about this, but you've done some things, bro.
Yeah.
For the community.
Yeah.
I see you like you heavily invested into your community. That's what it's called, and I think it's super important because I feel like sometimes privilege, bro, makes you think everything's alright. Yeah, bro. But when you go down the deep end, you see what's exciting. A lot of kids go to school hungry.
Yeah.
A lot of kids go to school with no shoes.
Yeah.
A lot of kids walk to school.
Yeah.
Crazy distances.
Yeah.
And when you chose to answer that in the initiative, and other initiative, man, tell me what's the thought behind that, your public and your private image?
No, basically, you know what's in. I mean, I'm from Emakaya. Some of the things I don't talk about. You know what I mean? Because people live. I mean, I let people think what they think about me. Go to PG Urban, it's fine. Have your own PG, I don't care.
Okay.
But the thing is, I grew up from a poor background. You know what I mean? So I remember it was 2018, 2019. Me and my friend Upegan, we started a school initiative. Like we donate school shoes every year. Yeah, bro? This initiative I love because I know how it feels like going to school without a tattoo when I was growing up. I remember in school when my parents passed away. Don't know about that.
Okay.
I used to wear a shirt a lot to resort, and kids used to call me always a school in. So they used to call me always. I don't understand.
Hold up. It's a crazy joke. But it's a joke regardless.
No, but it's fine. It's a joke. But the thing is, like, they used to call me always because my parents were gone by me.
That's super mean, by the way.
Yeah.
That's fucking mean.
But
kids are mean.
For them, it was mean. But for me, it was like, okay, it's fine.
Yeah.
So we started this thing in 2019. We started with giving. I love initiative yami ngiyenza giving back to community, we give school shoes. Sathi nobhekana nomngani wami, we gave 50 shoes. The first year we did 50 shoes. The following year we did about 70, 100. You know, every year I donate school shoes every year. Last year I did about 250 school shoes in Newcastle. Then in Capo Cam, Matadeni, I think there was some schools in Matadeni as well. I did about 250 school shoes donations, you know. But you won't see me in Hamba yo break I do this. And if you notice my pictures, every time I give a kid a school shoe, I make sure to block your face.
Yeah.
Because angifuni abantu babone ukuthi ingane iblockile. But for social media, we take pictures, and for my profile as a company, I'm okay, we do this. But I love giving school shoes to school kids because it makes a difference in a So every year I've been growing and growing. Like last year I did 250 shoes. This year I'm going to do about 300. Just waiting for my orders to come through. You know, so I give back to community. But as I've got university. I've got kids who are in university from the side. I've got kids and school fees. I've got kids who call me pitches from I do that, but I'm not gonna post everything on social media, for people to see, because when you do something, when that person
Not yourself.
Or abantu abaningi. Okunye siyakuveza because asifuna abantu badazenza ukuthi for umphakathi. But mina, if you can sit down with me off the camera ngitshele the things I do, ukuthi if I can show you how much mina I give ingane zesikole every month for my own money, then I don't even my kids. But I promise their parents would no, I'll support them where I can. You know, so but one thing I love the most about giving shoes to a school kid, the pride and the confidence, which has in about my new shoes. And that's a program which I love so much, and I'm gonna continue doing it for a long time.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I hope we're not like ruining, well, not really the brand, ruining the persona.
No.
Was the PG is a controversial asshole.
No.
Now all of a sudden is human. We're humanizing this nigga.
No.
Strong with it.
That's why I tell you,
yeah.
Mina, you can think what you think about me. Actually, I don't give a flying fuck. I don't care.
No, we cuss you, man.
Okay, I don't care because
a lot.
You can say what you wanna say about me, but then people around me, they will tell you what I care. Look, oh, sure, it's not him.
Yeah.
I mean, in fact, there's so many things I do for the community, but it wasn't more than a post. Because, like, there's families in Newcastle who call me peachy as like we haven't ate for 3 or 4 days. I will take my own money. But guys, there wasn't one how many post a lot. You know what I mean? But because I do that out of my own heart.
Yeah.
But I think with Newcastle abafuna abantu wathi ungaveza ukuthi ngisize bani ngenzele kukhona bezokilike. Nah.
Yeah.
I'm not like that.
Not going there.
Yeah, not good.
No.
That's the thing. So yeah, I hope one day you also spice it up. Put shoes, just you know. I'm just a suggestion
We can.
from a potential.
No, we can do that. But the thing is, like, in terms of why I don't do uniforms, I don't do amasogis, none, because
specific.
Yeah, I've got a reason for that. Because school shoes fit every school.
Yeah.
Amasogis uzakwesinye isikole, bagqoka black and white, bagqoka ban. Told ukuthi I can't buy that, yabo. So school shoes, everyone wears black shoes, yabo.
Before we proceed,
But wait, let me tell you something. That's a good idea. We can sit down with you guys and say, okay, PG, Laos is when we've got this school got this type of socks. They need 100 socks. This school, Amasoga is like 2015 random socks. And we can buy that. You can run an initiative. I'll support you.
Yeah, we can. I'm down for that.
Because for me, I know. I know. What I love is school shoes. School shoes last longer. And when if is what color you wearing? If you want to do uniform, we can do uniform. But uniform, one's size, one's what I do at schools, it's a tool. For school, okay. How many school kids you have who don't have a tool? But okay, now what sizes are those? Like right now, I've got over 350 orders already for me calling Newcastle. But I'm gonna do about 300 this year. Because last year I did 250. This year I'm doing 300. So next year I can do 350 because end of the day it comes from my own money, from my family's money, from my kids' money. So I'm right.
Yeah.
Spending a cool. But every year I try to grow. Saqala ngo 50, we're sitting on 300 this year, school shoes. So it's a growth.
It's a growth.
And angenzeli umuntu, ngenzela mina personally ukuthi okay, I've done this, I've done that. Yabo.
Yeah.
But le amasokisi,
Yeah.
you can do it, we can do it. I'll support you on that. But get school colors, which okay, lana, my colors they want, we can do that.
Yeah. Before we proceed to the next question.
Yeah.
I don't know if you want to get a little bit controversial. Yabo. There's my sister, Lana.
Yeah.
Ah man, I forget the name, and I hate that I'm forgetting the name, but I'll probably put it on the screen.
Yeah.
She did something for the people like Blaz.
Yeah.
Was it like a soup kitchen? I don't know if you remember the story. She was doing a soup kitchen bese ephakela abantu nje ngaphandle lapha la ePlaza, and most of them were obviously amajita la yabona ahlezi lapha
Yabo. Yeah.
And it was good, you know, but some people feel like she also did it la ngasePort yabo. Some people were feeling like, oh man, but you just doing this for like your brand yabo.
Yeah.
Or abanye were actually yabo liking it yabo because of the feed abafowethu.
So do you understand again why ngitshela ukuthi kunezinto engizenzayo privately that I don't post on social media?
Yeah.
Because people will say ukuthi PG wenzela ukubuka.
Yeah.
Or PG wenzela ukuthi.
What's your thought on that?
No, mina mfethu, the thing is yabo emhlabeni mina, yabo njengami, mina PG Sonic umntaka Sonic uzibona seBhod. I don't care. Yezwa mfethu. I don't care ukuthi ngami. Mina mfethu ungakhuluma uPG unjani wenzani. Angisenenda. Before I used to care ukuthi abantu bathini ngami babhale Facebook, PG is this, and I was being offended. Njengamanje, I don't care because ungenza 10 good things in Newcastle or wherever. When's the one mistake? They will forget all the 10 things you did for which were good and focus on one mistake. So, regardless, you can do bad, you can do good. They always talk.
Yeah.
I don't care. I do what I do. I live my life because end of the day, one thing you must know is
yeah. Hopefully not.
No. Okay, it's an example. Okay, let me change it. Okay,
hopefully not. Also.
Yeah. I didn't enjoy my life. I didn't do things and things.
Yeah.
As long as I don't care what you
yeah.
So loss is loyal. She was doing a good thing, but abantu bengasho bakusho ukuthi yena wenzela ukubuka. End of the day, engenzela ukubukwa, but bangaka abantu who benefited from that soup.
True.
Why ngithi ukwenza? Because I'm
not sure.
So now those people who ayibasiza abasakutholi isobho manje.
Yeah.
Yabo? So regardless, the people will always talk.
Yeah. So actually you're saying there's a toxic relationship between people in the media and your brand, yeah, because if like you're trying to do something positive and then people are coming like, yo, you're trying to push agenda, you're trying to push this, that, it's actually like a toxic thing happening.
Yeah, that's why it took me a long time to
understand
the local about. I remember DJ Sebi from Metro FM one time. He's like, he told me, PG, I live my life the way I live my life. I remember I was driving in my car at the time, Bella Newcastle Metro FM. We went to a season to donate. And DJ Sebi said to me, as in PG Mina, I drive my convertible. Like I get in my convertible, give fully convertible, I'm drive around, you know what I mean? But when I go to work, I do my work properly. When I go to do charity, I give charity. I don't care about that.
Yeah.
So if I'm under who now say stuff like that, why should I care what to do?
Yeah, that's true, man.
Yeah, so I don't.
So among you at Tetisana, you're not gonna take it because
that's me, very. And remember, Tetisa because I care.
Yeah,
if I don't care about you, on the flop Nick Bogan, you need to learn.
Shut up. Oh man, I know. Let's take it back. Before seeing the emotional rundown.
Yeah.
You know. Let's take it back to the show, man. What you actually known for. You know what I'm saying? What you actually push in the streets.
Yeah.
You recognizing young talent, young people, giving them opportunities and stuff like that,
and paying them.
You had to put that out.
Had to put that.
Definitely.
Put that together.
This guy.
Yeah, sorry about
so, that. Yeah. Big shout out, Joe. Big shout out.
Yeah.
This is very important.
Yeah, it's very important.
Very important. So, we are on that. kind of thing, you pushing it and recognizing, you know, the local DJs, you know, musicians, for example, like us as well. Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
You know what it is.
Most of
So yeah,
Yeah.
that type of thing, man, is like, where does it really come from? Can you just give us like maybe a top spin as to where does it actually come? Where umuntu engathi, why man ubuka le nto anengane? You understand?
They always say,
I'm sure you've been asked that.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
So
no, I
can you
think
answer that?
I think for me it's all about giving opportunity to people who haven't got an opportunity before to perform or to do something. Reason why I do that, like DJ Zinzo, why I always mention him in my interviews, because Zinzo on the stage, they gave me an opportunity. Tyler. When I came to Newcastle, they gave me an opportunity to the host a scrapyard. And the man babbing a phone, they complain, and like they would complain so much on Facebook. Zinzo would like fight with my Tyler, would put PG, then on stage was manager back then, put the PG. So those guys, what they did for me was they gave me a platform of PG. Today, so for me, that was something question for you.
Yeah.
Simple question. I'm in a position of doing an event or making it or win the event. What difference do I make if you book DJ Vele and Newcastle or Dumile or book every event?
No, because that's good ideas.
What difference did I make?
Nothing.
But for me, booking young talent, umuntu ongaziwa, yezo mfethu, umnika the same opportunities that uZinzo gave me, the same opportunities Tyler gave me. I believe ukuthi uma nginika abantu abancane ithuba ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi babone ukuthi yazini, there's so much going on in society right now. EU theater is depressed. There's drugs, there's suicide, there's self-doubt, there's ukuthi ekhaya don't believe in my music or my talent. So now, if mina, I book young kids, and in Sabusho Food, Ama2K gave me a lifeline. Yes. Lifeline, you're going to me, born with Nami Wumuntu, Nami born with Yazin. I'm available. You understand? I'm seen by them. So for me, not to pay them back for the love they gave me, that's why I book so much of young talent. Yes, I also perform in a big stage, but I know your music. I see your talent. I see you DJing somewhere. Come here. I'll put you in a bigger stage. So ngenze difference empilweni yakhe lo muntu loyo. Understand? So what difference am I making if ngibhuka umuntu vele uma uye ekhazini dlala ekhazini, uma scrapyard dlala scrapyard, uma uye eRobs dlala Robs lo muntu loyo? Did I make a difference? No. You make a difference. I believe ukuthi difference kwami ukuthi ngibhuka abantu abangaziwa, young guys who are pushing, ngibanike talent ukuthi babe la. So something. When I joined Winter Festival in the dog, they were booking 3 DJs. When I joined 2018, babe booka, I think it was Clogzin, kube Ula Festo, Samara DJ, bese kuba Yimorbo MC. When I joined, that's a fact. Niyaz nani 2018, 2019, I put those 3 DJs. When I took over as Saturday person, listen, in Newcastle show makes more money from black people. That's a fact. We cannot run away from that. You know what I mean? But it wasn't the Newcastle show I follow Boca young talent or talent on location was because the person who was sitting in a position I'm sitting in, with the community or the black people or the black people. Why laba abaziyo, that's it. You know, when I joined, the first I booked 15 artists from Newcastle. The following year I booked about 20. The following year I booked about 25. The following year last year I booked 28 local talent. Yes, and they kill the show. They perform on the show. They deliver the best. This year I booked about 30 local guys. You know what? Those guys, Emma Wubu already in their self-esteem already is built. I'm performing a bigger show in Newcastle. Winter Festival is the biggest show in Northern Natal. Northern Natal, you can go anywhere. I can show you Nambit at bigger Winter Festival. I can show you Friday.
That's WrestleMania.
I can show you Mood. I can show going down this bigger Winter Festival. So I give these people a chance because Nama was given a chance at a young age to show your talent. And I believe me with cool because I believe much cool because these guys have talent and these guys support. So ungangizonda ukuthi angibhukanga uDJ omthanda odumile owaziwa eNewcastle, but if ngibhuka umuntu omusha ongaziwa, I make a difference. No, uyaziwa vele. What difference did I make empilweni yakho?
You know what I like also about that?
Yeah.
Because the entertainment industry is a sink or swim industry now. You put the person there.
Yeah.
We ocean. Swim. Let's see if you can swim.
Yeah.
And real ones, Yeah, but
They
these
swim.
ones who never gotten the opportunities anyway,
Yeah.
they'll swim.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you will see them controlling the crowd, but our guys will move to how perform my line and then they're done because
Yeah.
these things don't book them.
Yeah. Yeah.
But they will swim.
Yeah.
But if you don't swim, then you say, "Who's okay? Should I have to work on myself?"
Yeah.
But like it's a sink or swim. You let the person swim.
And do what?
Mhm.
I'll make an example. Last year, Gabambi Winter Festival show from 7 o'clock
Mhm.
till 11 o'clock with a local artist.
Mm.
And the show was going like this. Yes. From 7 o'clock, yes, till 11 o'clock. Because the main artist I'm 11, yes.
Yeah.
Nangiba local artist about Tycoon,
Mhm.
about Socks, about Simo, about like all those guys.
Imagine.
By Bambi show, all the DJs okay, Bambi show, yeah, but at the peak.
Mm.
The artist lekhulu athi lifika. Sasingasadingi vele.
Yeah.
Yabo?
Sishizo.
Kwase ukuthi vele kumele aperforme ngokukhona. But the
Mhm.
fact remains good. All these kids are getting opportunities because if I don't give them an opportunity at that time, there's Ubugu Socks, for example. Ubugu Socks. Kariaka Socks. Socks, when I first met him was 2002. Yes, when he came to the show.
2.
Yeah.
2002.
No, sorry, man. 2022. It's like 2022, man. When he came to audition the show,
Yeah.
yes. Look at him now.
And doesn't
Look at-
age.
Look at
Yeah.
Martinez. Martinez came to audition to a show 2023.
Mhm.
Yes. Look at him now. Oh.
Yeah.
Simo States, they came to audition the show. Look at them now.
It's
They're
in the
pushing.
States.
Look at you guys. You guys, I've known you doing our podcast and shot, but you guys came kill the show. Yeah, bro. So for me,
Light work.
the reason why, answer your question, why I believe in young talent, I believe in giving, paying it forward. Udzinzo gave me a chance when I was an unknown
Oof, I like that.
to who I am right now.
Paying forward.
So if I give you guys a chance, ungaziwa,
Mhm.
one day was by something, you remember me one day. Because I still believe one of you guys will be a millionaire one day. You're thinking I'm broke, I'll pitch you one one day. Paying it forward.
I got you, my dog. I got you, man. I got you, man. We got it
understand?
live on camera.
Yeah.
Ngizokubamba ngo-2 phanyana.
Usiqine nje sabona nje phezulu uphuka wena uthi uphakama nje umoya.
And one thing about me, as long as
Yeah.
I would rather stay be part of an event if abantu abezokukhokhela.
Mm.
You know what I mean? Like for now, I mean, I'm fighting with so many events in Newcastle. I'm from the mention who haven't paid me from September,
Oh, yeah.
October, November, December. They haven't paid me my event. But I mean, a event which I'm part of. And I show good after you perform, you get your money. You know
Mhm.
that?
So you just mentioned something very important.
Yeah.
Well, events or promoters that haven't paid you
Yeah.
for your services.
Yeah. But I mean,
We saw a video.
Yes, that video. Is of
Probably, yeah.
Mina, that video, I couldn't even focus. You were keeping it.
what?
Oh, is this?
ngeke uthi umuntu afike
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? It's like,
I
was hitting it out.
That was PG.
Yeah,
It was
Taka
PG.
Sonic.
Oh, that was just for the support.
No,
Among us.
So what
So-
about the video?
Hey man, we saw you, man. The Amatuke Ati crashing out.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you're crashing out, and I feel like, sometimes, we take the professional route to say I'm not crash out, but when I listen to what you were saying, I was justified.
Yeah.
It was you crashing out on like
Yeah.
one person who hasn't paid you yet.
Yeah.
Or, hey, but most of I'm like, yeah, well,
Yeah.
so.
Mhm.
Elaborate, man.
Yeah.
You got it opportunity, so now
Yeah.
sit down, yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Reflect.
Yeah.
You thought of what to say during the video, and you did the video, and you saw the comments.
Yeah.
And now you've gotten time to take everything in. Pause, no Diddy.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
Mhm.
Where you at now? Where you at?
No.
Mhm.
Nothing I will change about that video.
Mhm.
Like anyone who knows me, I care about young talent.
Mm.
Yabo, uma ungazi mina, you guys know me. I care about young talent. Ngeke mfethu ufike kwi-event, disrespecter a local artist who has been pushing your event on social media, ngedatha lakhe and everything. Ufike umtshenta akaphuma stage. There was an event engangi-attendile.
Yeah, but
And then the young guy kwathiwa hayi phuma stage wena sekumele perform ubani perform yabo. And I was pissed. So, and then I reflected as in you guys, ngizokhuluma Newcastle, like, yabo la mathi amakhulu siwabhukhayo. For example, nje Winter Festival right now, it's coming up. Uwambona omkhulu eposta nge-event?
No.
Uwambona uba siposta nge-event?
No.
No. All la mathi amakhulu sesiwabhukhile, abayipushi i-event. Who pushes the event? How many times have you posted a Winter Festival?
A lot of times.
How many times?
How many times?
Profile picture,
It's
bro.
a
What you
profile
talking
picture,
about, bro?
You see?
Yeah, man.
You see?
Yeah.
So and then
Yeah,
we figure the day of an event.
yeah, man.
Yabo, the guys who push the event, I'm a local artist, day of an event is sebethi soko shama. That's why the
Ish.
video I clicked out because we're like, you event we are figure you don't even know where you're gonna sit, you don't even know what you're gonna do, you don't even know ukuthi perform kanjani, even after performance yakho sekumele ulwele imali, yabo. That video I did was because I was pissed, dog, ukuthi you cannot treat us ngathi singamabharo sizilima, but i-event yakho iba yi-success because of ama-local artist who share i-post years ukuthi kuzubani yabo. So if you're not gonna respect us, a day of an event ungitshela ukuthi akuphuma stage mina sikhona MC osekhona. You know what I mean?
Yes.
Or
Keep
keep i-artist eliperformayo ukuthi phuma sekhona selikhona elikhulu. But we're the ones pushing the event. You know, that's why I crashed leya video because I was pissed ukuthi okay, number one, okay, siyayipush event yakho, siyafika kwi-event asinangisha amanzi ukuphuza. We don't even have anywhere to sit. We don't even have
At this thing has
yeah.
And he's talking about things that literally happen.
Yeah.
I think I'm commenting at so you actually speaking for a lot of people.
A lot of artists talk. I wasn't talking about me.
Yeah.
Like for example, mina dog is okay. For example, mina like siyafika kwi-event asazihlala ngokuhlupha sokuhlala. Number one, first thing ufike gate-ini. Ufike gate-ini, nibangaki, nitshani, hayi ngeke, mina ngingena oyedwa ngina abawu-2. Okay, how do you expect ukuthi ngingene kwi-event, ngishiye i-security yami ngaphandle, ngishiye udrayiva wami ngaphandle, ngingene kwi-event kodwa mina? Umuntu ongigadayo ngishiye ngaphandle. How so? Yabo? So all those things yabo, ufika ngaphakathi awunandawo yokuhlala, usuhlama, usungena stage lapha kuthiwa, hayi phuma sekufika ubani bani, u-MC odumile phuma. You never do it to me. Yabo? Ama-artists local kwi-event bakhiphe local artist engilaziyo engihloniphayo engilithandayo balikhipha kabuhlungu ngase ngiyacrash. Number one,
Do you want to name and shame?
no, I won't do that.
Okay.
I won't do that.
That's fine.
Because bayilungisa indaba yabo. After video ngiyidilithe video bangifonela abanye babaxolisa abanye besimpumalanga they paid my money, so it's fine. So but the thing is that you cannot treat ama-artist ama-local who push event njengohlamba. And then next thing ufika kwi-event abazi nokuthi direction ikuphi yazo. Yabo? So mina I want us to ukuthi yes ngama-local artists siyavuma but sihlonipheni because even iphusha ithini.
Yeah.
Yabo?
Yeah, it's true.
Ngingakwazi singathi makhanda siphile manje besifile kwi-event yabo.
Ish.
So for mina mfethu, I rather focus on my artists, my local talent, than focusing on my big artists. My big artists for me are just there to draw a crowd.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah,
That's true.
But the people who push the event right now are the local guys.
Yeah.
Yabo?
Yeah.
Bese kufika i-event angisandawo ukuhlala. And the next thing i-payment, mina uma ngiphuma kwi-event ngihamba nabantu abangigadayo mina kwi-event.
Oh, yeah, that's what producer.
Yeah.
I've got my guys abangigadayo kwi-event. Ngikhokhela ngani umuntu ungakhokheliwe mina? How am I gonna pay them?
How
How am I gonna pay them?
And that's seen I'm a security account base.
Except for what's except that's what security. Remember to me.
That's security.
That's why you need VIP protection.
Yeah.
It's the brother that was there doing when we did this job.
Yeah.
The brother, the whole to share her talk, and bro, I don't know. I'm like, God damn.
But that's not okay.
And you know what's the funny thing? Now
What?
I was trying to make him laugh.
No,
I was like, I tried myself. You remember, you know those UK Queen's Guard, the Queen's Guard, those who don't move.
Yeah.
He was like that, bro. I'm like, this brother. I'm like, no, I'm gonna break this name.
Yeah, it's actually a compliment. Actually.
Yeah, it's actually a good compliment, man.
Yeah. So you're saying?
Why do you travel like that? Because
You roll deep.
So I just want to know where your headspace is with you just initializing it. I was, you know what, let me travel with security now.
Yeah.
No, man. This thing came 2001 I was poisoned.
2001.
Yeah. 2021.
God damn, nigga, you got
This
years.
This
got
year.
the years.
That's why you guys are here. Okay, like listen.
Yeah.
Okay, 2021 sasiku event la eNewcastle the time bengisaphuza-ke strong bangifakela i-poison kwi-Hennessy.
Yeah,
The poison kwi-Hennessy. Yeah. Like right now mina la ngilomthungo uhamba la so yabo bangiphoyizena. So security for mina uma ngihamba ne-team yami abafowethu kumina. I don't take them ukuthi but okay but abafowethu la ngihamba nenkanyezi bouncers mina mfethu. Those are my brothers because like the reason being there is because bangiphoyizena mina ngiyaphapha mangifaka i-event yabo. So if ngibe i-class yami yamanzi kanje ngiyaphapha ngibona abantu ngiyashutha nobani bani yabo. So a person can do the same thing again. Ngathi nje ngashona dog mina. I was in hospital for 6 months. Ngashona coma for 3 weeks. Bangiphoyizena phela bangifake ku-Hennessy. So ukuhamba ne-security ne-team yami abafethu engihamba nabo. It's not ukuthi it's for show. Yabo ukuthi ngiyathoma. No, it's for my safety. Because bazama ukwenza ko abake bezama ukwenza bafeyile. So do you think ukuthi umuntu uzoyekela ngoba nakho wena ufeyile the first time? Uzobuya again. So ngisuke ngine-paranoia ukuthi okay, what if the person does that again? It's not ukuthi ngiyaqhoma ukuthi ngihamba nama-VIP. No, it's not that.
I don't know.
For me, it's myself because uma ngifika kwi-event mina ngingena stage, I'm all over ku-stage kwi-event. Baze bangiphuzeke oMufasa bangihamba nabo. Mufasa bophela i-PG no relax phuzu usumpampa kakhulu manje. Because mina uma ngifika kwi-event I'm like, hey, I know him.
By the way, Mufasa is right here, bro.
Yeah, la ngiyalapha. Usho ikhamera umkhombisa la ngiyalapha. La ngiyalapha usho ikhamera la ngiyalapha.
Waiting for one move. What FC sazama something on this thing guys.
Uma ngihamba with my production team, I would say it's for calm.
It's not for sure.
Yeah, it's not for sure. That's for my life, dog. Like they've tried so many things and to show you camera, but one thing is when you cast a bank poison, and then but I survived. So now, kumele ngibe naive ngiphuma nge-club nigga ngingahambi ne-security team.
Bro, this is like after that failed poison attempt.
Yeah, so now
this nigga's still alive, man.
Unga-odarisha ababulali kwa-team.
So manje ngeke dog. So that's why I mean, and the funny part is abantu they always take them for granted ukuthi hayi boy ngeke bayababhonya-ke mfana bayababhonya uma sebedelela futhi yabo because those are abafowethu labo yabo. So
shout out, man.
Why I pull up with them is for my safety. Nokuthi mama ngitshena ukuthi okay, if uyaphuma kwi-event ahambe umuntu ogadile, you're not gonna go.
You know, I don't wanna ngifuna ukuphuma kakhulu kwi-conversation.
Sure.
Yes. For me right now, your bouncers, ne?
Not bouncers.
I mean your VIP protections, ne?
Yeah.
Okay, this is gonna be a mouthful.
Yeah.
But for right now, for me, they are the VIP protection of the year.
Why?
I'm segueing because you were nominated.
Yes,
Oh yeah.
For what was it? Was it promoter of the year? No.
MC of
the year.
Best MC.
Yeah, best MC. So, hey man, we want to be podcast of the year, but it is what it is.
Yeah.
Shout out, brother. We know who's behind that, by the way. Meet and greets, man.
Yeah.
I think it's a great initiative they're doing. By the way, shout out to Meet and Greet, dog. Well, we would love to talk about that on the pod. Yeah, but we would love that.
Yeah.
Well,
yeah.
The people put you there. Yeah. I belong to as far no PT.
Yeah.
Who you guys actually think is the best MC? And the people who spoke. That's your PG. Yeah, boy. Tell me how you feeling about that, and I'm pretty sure you looking forward to winning that shit. So
no man, like for me,
talk to me.
For me, you know when the odds came, and then Babi nominates Aban Babu, whoever. You know what I mean? And then again, I'm gonna go back to my first nomination came from Ama2K. Because they were like quiet about laba who were not like Ama2K came but PG. But I was saying for me now, what it means my award already, like for me now, I feel like a winner already because for me being nominated already what's MC of the year in Newcastle, you know, that means finally I'm being recognized.
Yeah.
It took a flipping long time to get here. You know, I've been pushing myself for so long. Finally being nominated for my awards, Abantu nominated PG as MC of the year. Win or no win, for me already, it's a win because everybody recognized in this point for me, being nominated is a win already. But I would love to win it because that will just validate I'm good at what I do. You know what I mean? I've been doing this for a longest time. So, but if say I win, we happy.
Yeah.
If we don't win, it's a good initiative.
Yeah, the people see.
Yeah.
People
But
see.
win or no win, July, ngishaya part
Yes, sir, ski.
MC of the year.
Mhm.
Win or no win, ngishaya part ngo July. So, by either way, ngiyabonga Ngobane to the team for nomination for nominator. This is the first thing. This is the first time ever
podcast.
been nominated. Yabo. So
Yeah.
ngiyabonga kakhulu to Meet and Greet Awards. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Shout out. Well, let us talk about Izamangambu. You know, 2026, we in it.
Yeah.
We in it, we inside it. You know what I'm saying? We inside it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I mean, like, you know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Let us speak about
Yes, sir,
one of
ski.
the main events
Yeah.
that's gonna be happening there by the farmers hall. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Showground.
Let us speak about the main thing.
Yeah.
What defines us? What reflects our spirit
Yeah.
as Newcastle? Let us speak about the 2026 Winter Festival.
Yeah.
That is going to be happening. Who are we having? And anything promotional, let us put it to the people.
Yeah.
Let's make sure people know. Let's make sure people. Bars now the tickets are now even available.
Yes,
Everything.
Even on CompuTicket, right?
Yeah,
on
yeah.
CompuTickets for sure.
Okay.
So
who are we having? We're having that's one
Best rappers in 034. Golden Platinum, best duo in 034.
Golden Platinum is gonna be there. No man, thanks so
Yeah.
much. Okay. This year we're focusing more on having fun, having vibes, yabo.
Yeah.
So basically we're having Uncool MC pulling through, we're having Ubasi pulling through, we're having Ubontle pulling through, we're having Official RSA pulling through, we're having Upenzo pulling through, Upenzo pulling through, Snoko pulling through, we're having Handsome Kutuza pulling through. So and then from there we're having the best of Newcastle according to me right now. Local talent performing there. Artists are performing there. So last year I put about 27 or 28 artists like last year. This year we're going 31 local talent artists gonna be there in Newcastle and they're gonna be paid. You know what I mean? So basically, so this year Winter Festival is gonna be like that. So get your tickets right now. Tickets to avoid long queues.
Yeah.
Get your tickets.
Safe.
So that you're gonna just come get in safe like that. Yeah.
Let us mention some of the local talents that's going to be
Before we do,
yeah.
Shout out to Basi. You know why?
A big shout out to Basi.
Shout out to Basi, man.
Big shout out to Basi.
Basi actually has a song with one of the best rappers in 034. Flow Speeds. Yeah.
They have
a song. Which was
it's actually my favorite song.
Yeah, it was actually big for a minute.
Who's Flow Speeds? I don't know.
You don't know?
You don't know Flow Speeds?
Don't worry.
So
you know it now.
Producer, no.
No, both. Both.
Yeah.
What is it? Newcastle?
Yeah.
Why men plan
Trust me.
We'll put you on.
You know, young Funa guy, like my own personal top 5. My own personal. No. I don't wanna say that.
Okay. No, but
yeah.
Because you guys should told me earlier, ngabe simfakile kwishow. Sibone ukuthi ashaya something nobasi.
Yeah. Okay. Flow Speed is actually up there.
Yeah.
And another one is a person that it will be performing Ray Ocean.
Ray Ocean is dope.
I want Flow Speed, Ray Ocean, Golden Platinum, Venom Raps. Yeah. Yeah, to me. To the boy.
Venom Raps, like Venom Raps, he hasn't dropped anything lately.
Yeah. Oh no, he did.
He hasn't dropped anything that like I know him very well, Venom Raps, but he hasn't dropped anything lately. That was like for me. Someone talking about the socks.
No, he was still on his top 5.
Yeah,
he was still mentioning his top
5.
Okay.
It's whoever you want it to be.
Shout out to We Ghost. Also on the promo level. Shout out to Socks, rapper.
Yeah, Socks is a ghost.
There's gonna be Cruz.
Yeah.
Cruz is gonna be there.
Big Brother SBS.
Oh yeah.
He's gonna be there.
SBS.
Tycoon will be there.
Tycoon and Alvin. Simo States.
Simo,
Phil's gonna be there.
Phil for that everywhere. We had a good chat with that brother.
Yeah.
And hold up. I don't want to do this.
Bali Music. It's gonna be it's gonna be
heavy.
Nade heavy Shoon is gonna be there.
Heavy Shoon will be there.
Yeah. DJ Cabo.
Bro.
I heard whole
who's that?
I mean, Gay Banda.
Okay.
Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ!
No, listen. Don't sleep on gay panda.
Yeah,
dog.
no, he's
I am
yo,
not-
listen,
That's why
listen,
I'm-
it's
that's
good,
why I'm
dog.
speaking.
Well, gay panda is the future of MC in Newcastle.
Yeah.
Trust me.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah,
Trust me.
I've seen
Gay
that
panda is
things
the
work.
future of MC in Newcastle.
Never seen her.
Like she's coming hard, dog. Like hard. Oh yeah, she's coming hard. You know what I mean? Gay
She's
panda.
coming hard.
Yeah, she's a she. She's coming hard. Like it's gonna be.
Hold up,
But listen,
y'all
listen,
niggas,
listen,
relax,
listen,
okay,
listen, listen.
How?
Don't sleep on gay panda, dog.
Yeah,
Like she's got followers.
yeah,
She's got
Yeah.
swag on stage.
yeah,
She knows what to say on stage. You know what I mean? Like she dresses nice. Yeah, well. So
yeah.
there's a quality of MC.
For
Yeah.
sure.
Don't sleep on her.
Yeah.
Don't make a mistake.
No.
And yeah, it's not like it's
Yeah.
not his first job with like
Yeah.
he's
No,
actually
no.
been
She was actually
Yeah,
hosting a script. I did all this thing. Cousins, all black. I saw some videos like, she's
Hmm.
dope. She's dope.
we're not gonna talk about that.
Yeah.
But also about him, nah,
Mm.
about Gay Panda, yeah.
Yeah.
He's charismatic.
She is.
Yeah, well, very charismatic. So it's very good for MCing. Yeah.
Yeah.
So hey man, I see the
Yeah,
thought
we're
behind
looking forward
Yeah.
for it.
that. And hey, I would love to Baba Lebongi, but you know what? I'll
Yeah.
just put them
Yeah.
Bonka
There's gonna be
Magic.
posters and
Yeah.
stuff. Yeah, there's challenges even. There's DJ.
Yeah. There's
Zeb Baba.
Yeah,
No,
Let's talk about this. Let's talk about this challenge.
No, man. There's that. Look, I was talking to Uncle. I spoke to him. I said, listen, let's do something crazy. Because you come to Newcastle.
Mhm.
Let's have a Zeb challenge.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And they said, okay, let's do it schools. I said, okay, it's fine. Do a school challenge or individual challenge. Whoever does the best Zeb challenge, so I get like 5K. And Uncle, like we're getting videos. And we send it to him every
Yeah.
time. He sends it back to me. He says, no, not this one, not this one. Anymore. So, but he will decide the
Yeah.
video that's gonna win. It's gonna
Mhm.
come from him because every video we send, we tag him and we show him, like, you know. So basically, Uncle will decide who's the best one, and then
Okay.
the reason being is because we're trying to do something different. I mean,
Yeah.
so one of the most important things for me is that this year, Winter Festival, what I want to do is I want to have an open mic. You know, so if you have talent, sing,
Oh.
dance, whatever, I'm not doing competitions this year.
Mhm.
Because last year, Kona Bang tour, but I'm not even a judge.
It was on this podcast, man.
Was it? Oh yeah, I remember.
God damn.
So bang insult what why easy. Never mind. But again, whoever bang insult about yazini what. So this year I'm not doing competitions because
Mhm.
abantu bafila ngathi bayaroja yabo. But I'm not even a judge. Mina ngisuke ngingale
Yeah.
ngibuka ama video, but at the end of the day they feel it's easy to attack uSonic yabo. So it's fine.
This is good.
So this year what I'm doing is I'm just gonna have open mic.
Mhm.
If you have a talent, dance, sing, whatever, open mic, come to Winter Festival show from 12 to 4 o'clock, open mic, do your talent.
Mhm.
We're going to be having a scouts looking at talent. Okay, this one is good. Then you have a chance of us picking you next year. So
Man,
I'm
hold up. Has this been announced?
Yeah, it's
Oh
actually
no, is this an exclusive?
it's exclusive. It's not
You
announced.
heard it, you heard it here first,
Yeah.
man. On the best, biggest podcast.
Yeah, so it's not
In
announced.
Northern KZN. You know
So
what I'm saying?
this year I'm just doing open mic because
Mhm.
last year bangaphatha kabuhlungu abanye. Well, then so this is open mic.
Yeah.
Because I'm trying to make sure ukuthi while I'm doing open mic, khona abantu bengazoba ne-pressure.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So don't think ukuthi I want to go win, ube ne-pressure. So this year it's open mic. Come through, show your talent, but I'll be looking
Yeah.
for future talent.
Yeah, man.
So it's open mic from 12 to 4 o'clock. Come to your talent, whatever you're doing. I'll be looking at you. Whoever is good, obviously I'm going to pick you in the following year.
Yeah, man. You know, I love that, man. And I don't know if you still want to go on. I feel like we had a fruitful. Yeah. fruitful
Yeah.
going.
Online.
Yeah.
Sushi to please God. I mean, why are you laughing, guys? These people are not serious.
Like, yeah, these people are not serious. I see. You know what, man? It's been a fruitful
Yeah.
So,
conversation.
okay, I have a question for you guys.
That's it.
Are you ready to bring the heat this year? Winter Festival.
You know, thina sazalwa mfethu. Bushisa.
Mm.
Sazalwa. Nothing to do with hell.
Yes.
Sazalwa kunomlilo.
Mhm.
Sazalwa we were born
Mhm.
ready to
Yeah.
bring the fire.
Is it?
Ngobe siyashisa.
Is it?
Siyashisa. You'll probably understand that.
You ready?
And then,
Yeah,
siyashisa.
we are more than ready.
Yeah.
I mean,
And we also read. Sorry, Ugu.
to come here. Yeah.
Nope, I'm not gonna say that. So to miss. We also ready, to do what?
Yeah.
So
I'm listening.
Yeah.
Listening.
we're also ready to actually double what is it? To actually do double. We're ready to be equal in platinum and also ready to be out there for issues.
Right.
Yeah,
Right.
that's what I want to say.
I know.
What you say? You ready?
I'm not ready.
Because I want the best. I want the best. You know, listen.
Yeah.
So basically, for me, I believe in local talent.
Yeah.
I believe in young talent. I believe in youth. I believe in number 2K. What you take of that, what you say about that, I actually don't give a flying fuck. You know what I mean? So basically, it's PG.
The fuck flies.
You know what I mean? So basically, I will support number 2K. I will support young talent. I will support. Number 2K. Why do people think what's number 2K and females depend? I mean, number 2K, male and females, won't I support them?
You know, it's funny because they say the thing about that, but they don't think about who under 2K. Shout out to Sneh.
That's my girl. Yo, Sneh's doing amazing things.
Yo, it, bro.
I saw now she's got a show on Takasi FM full and she's
she's really good. Bro, she's there. I wanna go with Amendi. Out in Missouri. I saw a clip of her.
Is it?
Yeah, she's actually like that right there, like doing like a voice character.
Bro,
she's a goat, dog.
No, Sneh.
She's a goat, man. She's like, I don't know if this will sound wrong or come out wrong, man.
Yeah.
To me, bro, she's like an inspiration to female, dog. To females, she's like, say,
not to females only.
You know, I know, I get it because I am inspired by her.
Yeah.
Saying I should go say, imagine lento leyo hey bese ingane bese ithandela lezi zinto kuphela yabo.
Yeah, no.
Hey baba, look at Sneh, baba.
No, she's a goat.
Look at Sneh, baba. Sneh is killing it.
She's a goat.
Man, shout out to Sneh, man. I'll always show love.
No, always, definitely.
I'll always show love next to
Yeah, siyamthanda kakhulu Sneh.
Yeah,
bro.
Yeah.
All right, no, guys, thank you so much for having me.
That love is different, though.
Yeah.
What you mean?
What do you mean?
Yeah.
What you mean?
What do you mean?
No, to be quite honest, like I have a picture with her, you know.
We all have pictures of her.
Oh, now. Okay. Okay. That makes me jealous.
Hey man, that's it. Let's wrap it up before we fuck up shit, man. Tell the people where to find you.
No,
whatever
man.
you wanna talk about.
No, man, listen. And I say shout out to my team, Team Peach Sonic, shout out to Mandla, my security team. So shout out to Ink, Abzam Zinkata, Ink Anyezi. Inkanyezi, bouncers and VIP protection, shout out to Inkabzam Lezo. Shout out to everyone who support PG Sonic. Shout out to everyone odwele ngoSonic. Lalela, igama lami uPG umntaka Sonic uzibalo sebhote bathi ngishaya ama-2K, bathi phansi olundu maphithizela, bathi phansi eFriday umfana kaSizeni, bathi phansi kwaNongoma, umfana kaSkejile eshobeni, umgcwalisi waleyo ndawo, which one? Showgrounds. So, my name is PG Sonic, you heard. Thank you so much for supporting me. Love you.
Hey man, we love you too, man. Follow all Different Issues everywhere, man. We everywhere. We on IG, on Facebook, we're on TikTok, we're on Threads, we have a WhatsApp channel. Yeah, but we next to your mother.
Yeah.
Hey man, hey, and it's been a good conversation, dog.
Thanks, man.
It's always nice talking to you, man. You're a friend of the channel.
Oh, definitely.
All the time, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, man, including the Shavo one. So.
Oh yeah.
Hey man, I don't know what you want to say.
Shout out to local brands, guys.
Yes,
shout out to Ghost. Shout out to 10. Shout out to local brands, man.
Yeah.
I support local brands. Let's go.
Yeah, Rapper, you wanna say something? Go to.
I don't know.
To
make sure you subscribe. You know, do it for me. You know what I'm saying? I'm speaking to the ladies specifically.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Please, guys, make sure that you support the boy. You are gonna. Yes.
Also subscribe. Subscribe. Except, oh my God, let's let it roll.
Shout out to the girls.
Also do say. Oh, everyone, actually having patience with us, man. We know we might have started this.
Started off nice, but an emotional turnover, and then came back. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, this was proper, dog. I can't lie. Yo, big shout out, yeah, big shout out.